What is up, guys? Kendall Jenner just posted a new picture on her Instagram account, this one right here, and since then you have been requesting this look on my Instagram DM, and I got right to work and I figured out how to recreate this look using the smartphone, the free Lightroom app, and a free app called Over, all linked under this video. And this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to recreate this Kendall Jenner kind of brown sepia look with those scratches and those dusts. And I've created a dust sheet for you for free as well to download from my website to recreate this look. But first of all, let's take care of the colors. Let's turn your pictures into this kind of sepia color tone, and we're gonna do that in the free Lightroom app. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. And I've also created a preset on exactly this look on my website. The link is under this video just to save you a little bit of time. And it's in the all presets pack. Most of you might already have the pack. It includes over 150 other presets, and every time I create a new preset, it's automatically updated to that pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week and every time I create a new video right here. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if there's anything you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel now and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. Now, I've said enough for the introduction. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing you want to do, of course, is open your picture in the free Lightroom app. So we open the Lightroom app right here, and I've taken this picture of Carlota, a Spanish model, and it's just in front of a really clean wall, so it's really simple. It comes close to that Kendall Jenner base that we're trying to do here. So the first thing you want to do in the lights tab is go to curve on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. So maybe take a little screenshot right now to just really copy it as exact as possible. The shadows on the bottom left side, we want to pull them up, then pull them back down with a little bow, and then go to the upper right side with a little S curve towards the highlights on the upper right and pull them a little bit to the left. And once you have this like it is here, we're done. And the next thing we want to do is just pull down the contrast to -30 right here. Pull down the highlights as well to -14. The shadows down as well to -37 right here. And the whites, we want to boost them up a little bit to +51 right there. Then we're done with the light. We go over to color, and what you want to do is just pull down the saturation all the way to -100 to get that black and white look. Then we scroll up, hit grading right here, and for the shadows, what you want to do is boost the hue up to around 31 right here, that red, almost orange area, and the saturation all the way up to 32 right here. And then the luminance here, we want to pull down to -43 right here to make it even darker. And then we go over to the midtones. Here we want to boost the hue up to around 45 right there. Again, that orange area, and the saturation up to 36 right here. For the highlights, we want to pull the hue to 44, that orange area again, and the saturation up to 22, just to make everything a little brown, a little red. And once we have this, we're done here. We go over to the effects tab right there, and then we want to just pull down the clarity to -22 to soften it out. Dehaze, we want to pull that down as well to -24. And the vignette, we're just gonna create a dark circle around this image. So we want to pull the vignette down to -61 right here, and you can see that dark circle coming in. We want to feather that out a little bit, so we boost that up to 65 here. And then we want to add grain, of course, all the way up to 44 right here. And we are done for the first part. And this is it. Here's a little before and after in terms of color. So we're done with the first part. I think this already comes really close to that Kendall Jenner picture that we're trying to achieve. But now we want to add those dusts, those scratches that we see on her picture. And I've created a free dust pack for you, linked under this video as well on my website, as a little thank you for supporting this channel, for motivating me to do these videos. I'm just giving something back here. So thanks so much for all that you're doing for me. So download those dusts, those scratches, and then save them to your phone, and then we're gonna start overlaying them on top of this picture in the free Over app, also linked under this video. So we're gonna jump right there right now. So the first thing I want you to do, of course, is open this picture that we have just created now in the free Over app. So now we go to Over right here, hit the plus down here, the white plus, and then image on the upper left side. And now we just want to choose the picture that we have just created. So we open this up, we have it right here, hit the check mark on the upper right side. And now what you want to do as a first little step is hit it and then go to edit right there. And then we just want to add a little bit of blur. So we scroll over to where it says blur right here. Now just a little bit is fine, maybe 4 right there to make it look more vintage, more out of focus as in the Kendall Jenner one. Hit the check mark on the upper right side. And now we want to start adding those overlays. So we hit image on the bottom left here. And now we want to search for that scratch and dust that we've just downloaded from our website. Now we want to start with this particular image right here. So we just want to drag it on top of that image. And now down here, scroll all the way over to where it says blend. And now we want to hit that multiply blending mode right there. And now this is a little harsh for me, a little too much. So we scroll over to opacity, pull it down here to maybe around 43%, wherever you like it, and we can still move it on top of this image. So maybe something like this could be cool. We hit the check mark on the upper right side when we're ready, and now we hit image on the bottom left again, and now we want to add those white sparkles, those dusts. So we go to all photos again, recent. It looks like a black image, but actually there's a little bit of dust on it. So we're gonna choose this one. It's gonna open on top of this image right here, as you can see. So again, we fill it out, and then we scroll over to where it says blend right there again. And now we want to use screen right here, and we can see those little white scratches, dusts on top of that image. And to me that looks perfect. I don't want to pull down the opacity or anything. So we hit the check mark and we export on the upper right side, hit save on the bottom left, and we are done. And now this is it, guys. This was the final step, adding those dusts, those scratches, that overlay. Once again, I've created this free pack for you that includes all of these dusts and textures, so make sure to check that out. Link is under this video. As a little thank you to you guys for watching, for subscribing, for just motivating me, helping me, showing me all the love. So I hope you enjoyed that. And of course, I've also created a preset on the colors of this look on my website. Link is under this video as well. In the all presets pack, there's now this Kendall Jenner Sepia colored preset. If you want to save some time, most of you guys already have the all presets pack, so it's in there right now. You can start working with it. The rest of you guys, I really recommend this all presets pack because it's a huge presets pack with now over 150 presets to just easily paste to every one of your pictures, to create something new, to make them look a little more exciting, to upgrade them. And the cool thing about that pack is once you buy it, you will be getting all the future presets for free. So it's going to be a growing preset pack for you. It's a great deal. Link is under this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And if there's anything you need, or you have any new requests for new videos like these, feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StephenWommack is my handle. Now also, thank you so much for requesting this look today. It was a lot of fun doing this for you, and I hope you're happy with this result. Have fun trying this out, playing around with it. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.